morning. So today we are at a Hipcamp in Victoria near Tallarook State Park called Eden Pines Farm, and it's beautiful. Check this out. This is our view. It is really lovely. So yes, we are here for 2 nights. Tomorrow we'll head into Tallarook State Park and check out some 4-wheel drive tracks and see what we can find. And yeah, just enjoy a nice relaxing weekend with the dogs. So someone, since we got here, has been wandering around eating sheep poop and has green teeth. I wonder who that would be, Xena puppy. We
got fire, baby.
Of really big mobs of kangaroos that have come through. So we've got these 2 on their leads because we don't trust their recall. I'm not sure what these zip things are, but obviously they're hand warmers, aren't they, buddy? Keep mum's hand warm. Cream cheese, spinach, balsamic beetroot relish. This is my favourite time of night. Hey, babies.
Hang on, mate. Hang on, mate. Hang on, mate. Hang on, mate. All right. Pause up, buddy. There you go. Hang on.
There you go. Good boy.
What's that, bub?
Good girl.
After my parents died, I went through this period.
Little sleeping beauty.
Come in Ennis Road, followed along past Flat Rock Camp.
Yep.
Gravel pit, dam track, we're up around here somewhere. As I try and work out where we're going. Yeah.
The waterfall's up the top somewhere.
Waterfall's up here at the Tallarook Reservoir. So we'll fly along here and then we'll shoot up West Falls and see where we end up. We just slid then, that's all, when I come to a stop. Are you good?
Yeah. So the track's all like this. It looks like it's been graded, but it's really slippery. Really slippery. So our tyres are pretty much slicks at the moment. We're just letting some air pressure out and we'll turn around and head back up. We're not going to head down that next bit. Oh, off we go on the way back up again. This looks like such a great track. It just goes to show how, I don't know, what am I trying to say? It just goes to show
just how slippery it can be underneath. Looks like it's been freshly graded. Just the top part is just really greasy, so we're just going to get into it a bit.
See our track's coming down.
There we go. I've just got to stay into it, that's all. There we are. Not too bad, not too bad. We've done all right. Woohoo! Not too bad. Not too bad. Right. I don't actually know what we were worried about.
Because on the way down, and it looks so much steeper than it shows on camera. I mean, it is so much steeper than it shows on camera. At one point, we were heading to being going down sideways. So, yeah, I didn't like that much. Anyway, we're out now and we're going to find a different route. Well, we didn't make it to the waterfall, but we did make it to the top of somewhere. You can see the fire tower up there. Somewhere, oh yeah, there it is. Pretty decent view behind me here. Yeah. Dogs are having a run. Nice. So this is the infamous phone track. We did this years and years ago in our old GQ, and quite rugged. Seen a car just about tip on the end of phone track. It doesn't look as rugged as I remember it though, but yeah, I'll drop in a photo. Well, let's go and have a look. Wow. So just going up to have a look at this to see how gnarly it is before proceeding. We're just choosing relatively easy tracks today. It's been really wet. We're by ourselves. We only have all terrains. We don't have muddies on. So yeah, we don't want to get stuck because that would be embarrassing. So we've just stopped on the side of the road to air up and to give the dogs a treat and some water. And I don't know, but it looks like a bit of a graveyard. There's a spine and rib cage, and on the other side of this tree is a, well, looks like a skull, maybe some femur bones over there. Yeah, so I reckon we'll air up and get the hell out of Dodge. What do you reckon?
Before the ghost of Skippy comes and cleans us up.
Exactly. So we've just called into Seymour. It's only about 10 kilometres from where we were, and we've pulled up at the information centre. I think there's a few things to see around here, but I just thought I'd take some footage of that helicopter. Yeah, pretty cool. So we're waiting in the car. Looks like Rick has had a field day in the information centre. What have you got?
Oh, well, so I got us 2 cups.
Oh,
Given that someone left the other ones at home, $8 each, can't go wrong.
nice.
Some maps, thing of the blue plate buildings in Seymour.
Okay. So this is the Seymour viaduct artwork. I don't know that you can actually stop. Oh, I might be able to stop somewhere. Wow. Took 5 artists 4 weeks to do that.
How cool is this? Under the railway overpass in Seymour. Just really cool. I love clever people and I love clever things, and this is just really cool. Really cool. Yeah, not bad at all. Also part of the artwork is one of my favourite old trains. Have a look at her. What a beauty. And speaking of trains, always a sucker for a train. Just know I'm going to have to go up and have a look inside it. How cool is that?
Good boy.
Boy, buddy. Well, last night at our little hip camp up at Tallarook. Great day today. Went for a drive through the Tallarook State Forest, cruised out to Tallarook itself and had a look around. Went to Seymour, had a look at some street art there, and a bit of a drive around. Fantastic day. Couple of great feeds over the 2 nights that we've been here. Beautiful property, kangaroos jumping past, just magnificent. Puppies are worn out, and we're getting ready to pack up leisurely tomorrow morning to be out by about 12 and on the way home. Just a great weekend.
Thank you very much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to click that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time, wherever that might be.
Correct.
Bye.